Hi guys, welcome back. If you want to see how I went from this hair to this hair in about 10 minutes, then please do keep on watching. I've got a quick video about how to revamp your hair between washes. Today I've got a video for you that's actually kind of like the quick way that I like to revamp my hair. My hair is pretty long, and in being so, I actually only wash it once a week. The actual process of what you're going to see took me about 10 minutes to do. Take the moisture away from the roots, redeposit moisture back into your ends. Make sure both the products are nice smelling, because it can get a little whew up in there, especially if you're working out and stuff, especially if it's the summer between washes. Yeah. So without further ado, here is a video of how I revamp my hair between washes. Okay guys, exhibit A is the before. It's kind of uneven on both sides. Also, if you see the separation of hair here, that's the oil, the presence of oil. I've got this like curling M thing going on my forehead. There's also this uneven little dip in my hair. I don't know what that's about. So we're starting off with the dry ends here. Taking some oil, any kind of oil. I'm using Garnier, this Moroccan oil. It smells amazing. Just be generous with it, of course, because between washes your hair really loses its hydration. And then you're actually going to start to comb or brush, whichever you prefer. You're going to lightly, gently work from the bottom up and try to detangle your hair. And then you're going to take a couple more pumps of the oil you use. Now that your hair is separated, it's going to be able to soak up that hydration better. Each strand, each hair is going to receive the hydration now that you've separated it. So go ahead and plop that back in there. And surprise, surprise, water is actually awesome to hydrate your hair between washes. So just get that in there, paired with the oil that you're using. It definitely works for me. So I really suggest doing some sort of an oil and a water mixture. So take any kind of dry shampoo. You're gonna split your hair over here to expose the oiliest parts. We're gonna do this in a couple of parts. So the first one is kind of at an angle with your eyebrow, and then part further down, closer towards your ear. Spray some in there. Of course, do the other side. And now we're gonna flip it over and we're just gonna shampoo. So almost like you're shampooing your scalp. Just work that dry shampoo into the oiliest bits. And instantly there's a lot more volume to my hair than there was before. Now we're gonna take a hot iron or a curling iron, whichever you prefer, and just kind of gonna work some of the kinks out of our hair and give it a little more shape. So I'm going for my bangs outwards and then curling in backwards towards the end of the bangs. And I curl away from my face. So remember that kink, that little bend in my hair that was random that I showed in the beginning? Easy peasy, just almost ironing it out. And now you'll see, because of the hair type that I have, it's wavy, I go throughout the video and put random little curls and waves into my hair, into strands. So I do focus heavily on the hair that's framing my face, even the ends of it. So I do curl those parts. Again, I continue to do like curl it away from my face. So my final trick here is to actually grab all of the ends of your hair and just give it a quick little curl. These ones I curl up and then I slowly uncurl it and I release a little bit as I go down, and then I curl it back up and hold it in that position for a few seconds. And you'll see just from doing that, it ties in your bangs up from your face all the way down to the ends. So I'm doing a little bit of hairspray here just to hold these waves and curls in place. And just curling it up now that the hairspray's in there, just to make sure it retains its bounce. And now it's time to actually separate these, because we don't want tight ringlets and curls. We really want it to blend with the natural waves in our hair, if you do have wavy hair like I do. And so it's time to separate it with your fingers, flip it over and separate it. Go ahead and use a little bit more dry shampoo at this point if you feel that you need it. I definitely needed it. And just massage that in. And there we have it. So that's the final product. Now, as you can see, it's evened out both on the left and the right. It looks like it belongs to the same head on the same person. I think the extra work that I put into framing my face definitely works. It's just, you look like you have your hair done up, but actually you've only done parts of it, which is the trick. So there you have it, you guys, a quick way to revamp your hair and basically make it look like it's washed when it's 4 days unwashed. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you liked this video and if you found it useful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and until next time.